Alright, time to take a look at the 21 volt brushless cordless mini chainsaw. It does come with a bag, so that's nice. We got somewhere we can actually put it. This is actually fairly large for a mini chainsaw. I really like the size of that grip. That is nice. Good feeling trigger on there. I really like having this guard on here. It's one of the things that most mini chainsaws don't have. They don't have anything that's going to actually protect your knuckles, so nice big guard right there. Got a guard on top, 2 contacts in the bottom for the battery, and a somewhat rubbery texture here on the grip. I got fairly big hands, and this is actually very comfortable for me. So if you got big hands, this is going to be the one that you want. You can see we got a contact surface right here. One of the mistakes that most people make whenever they're going to be cutting a branch is they want to try to cut it up here, but you actually want to cut it down here. If you cut it up here, the chain's going to be going this way, and it's going to try to pull the chainsaw forward. If you have it right here at the back, it's just going to make contact, and it's going to pull right through that branch. So I like that they put that texture right there. And it looks like we got a little wrench. So if we ever want to change the chain, that's pretty simple. So we got our tensioner right there. So that is that screw. So we would just tighten that or loosen that to loosen up this chain. Then you can pop it off of this wheel, put the new chain back on, and then close it back up. And it looks like this hex key is actually a Phillips. So we could use that to tension or loosen that chain. So very cool. We got the tool that we need right there. I like that. Oh, nice. So it actually comes with 2 batteries. These are 21 volt and they are 2 amp each. Yeah, that's cool. So it is a click release. And we got our charging port right there. So this is the charger. It says it's good for 100 to 240 volts. So it's good for international domestic, and it outputs 0.6 amps at 21.5 volts. And it comes with some gloves. A little bit tight for larger hands, but they do have a little bit of a grippy texture, and also add a little bit of protection for the hands. Oh, that's cool. It actually comes with a full-on screwdriver too, so if you don't want to use that little Allen, we can use this to tension that chain. And it comes with an extra chain, so that's cool. So if we actually wear that one out, we just replace it. We got a little bottle for oil, so we can put some chain lube in there. Then all we want to do is occasionally lube up that bar so that we got that chain moving on there nice and smoothly. And we got everything in here. This is actually pretty smart, so we got some safety goggles, because as we are going to be pushing some wood chips out, we want to make sure that we are protecting our eyes. So it doesn't fit over my glasses, so I do have to wear these instead of the glasses, but they do have a nice clear vision on them. So let's go ahead and see how it works. There we go. Yeah, that thing works nice and quick.